Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to import products from Amazon to Shopify. Open up Shopify in the web browser. Go into its settings from the left corner. Click on Apps and Sales Channels from My Store. Then tap on Shopify App Store. Here in the App Store, search Amazon Dropshipper. Click to open the Amazon Dropshipper plus Walmart app. Then hit the Add App button. Click to install the app. Now the app is opened in Shopify. Open a new tab. Here search Amazon. Click to open its site. Scroll down to Popular Products. Open these products. Then copy the URL of these products and paste it back in the Amazon Dropshipper app. Paste the link, then click to get product. Now you can get the product here. Then click on Add to My Store. Now the product is added into your store. Open up Shopify. Here you can see the product has been added successfully. Click to view the product. Go back to Shopify and click on Product. You can see the product here as well, and all the details regarding the product. If you guys got some value, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, goodbye.